good night or good morning. It's 1:20 a.m. on a Tuesday. And I thought I would play some music. I first started off with Taylor Swift, and then I realized that the sound wasn't coming out. I also tried 2 other albums, this being the last one I tried. I am tired. I don't know what's happening. I plugged in the wrong plug when I turned this on before, but this is the right plug now. Now the sound still works. I checked the back. Nothing happened. It's okay. It looks fine. Nothing's broken, but the sound is playing. But every time I click this, it's still on Bluetooth mode. So if anyone has one of these, can you please, like, share this, message me? I don't know what I'm doing. Please. Okay, good night.